Hey John, I just wanted to ask your advice real quick. I've been having this weird thing happen with my scooter where when I try and start, it does this. It doesn't whir, it doesn't make any other sounds, nothing. It happened all of a sudden. I was driving home for lunch. When I got back on to go back to work, it made that sound and hasn't started since. I replaced this part, which I can't remember what it's called, because I thought that's where the click is coming from. So I thought, oh, that must be the part. So I replaced it. It still does just that. Then I thought, oh, maybe it's the ignition coil. So I just put a brand new ignition coil on. And obviously, that's all I'm getting. If you have any advice as to what it might be, I'm really kind of at the end of my rope with this scooter. So, I mean, it's kind of like a no loss at this point. But anyway, like any advice you might give me would be awesome. I'm thinking it's probably the starter motor, which I'm just like, okay, I'm just going to get rid of it on eBay or something like that. Anyway, just give me a shout back. That'd be awesome. Thanks.